everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that real quick unboxing and packaging showcase for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Alright, now in this portion of the video, I'm just going to give y'all my overall first impressions, and then we're going to wrap the video up. Okay, and as you can see, I have my two other favorite earbuds on the table as well. But let's get into the video here. So, I've already taken the earbuds out of the case. I haven't even paired them up to my device yet. Let's get into these first impressions. Now, first things first, I gotta tell y'all, I really do like the overall fit of the original Galaxy Buds. So I think the Galaxy Buds Plus is gonna be pretty much the same, if not better. Alright, so let's drop this in. So this is the right. Let's drop that in. Yeah, really nice overall fit. And here is the left. Let's go ahead and drop this in as well. Again, really nice overall fit here. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's do a quick shake test here. Okay. Oh, shook up very vigorously. Definitely didn't slide around. Definitely didn't move around at all. So the fit on these is very, very good. Very good indeed. Alright. Now, let me go ahead and show y'all the pricing. And go ahead and take some selfies for y'all so y'all can see how they look. So let's see. Let me pull up the pricing screenshot here. Here we go. So this is how much I paid for the Galaxy Buds Plus. So you can see before taxes, it was $67.65. After taxes, it came up to a grand total of $72.39. And I got these directly from the Amazon warehouse on Amazon.com. And these did come in used, good condition. And it pretty much came with everything that you needed out of the box. So the earbud tips, the wings, the charging cable, the charging case, and the earbuds themselves. Really good overall, in my opinion, when we talk about the pricing. The Galaxy Buds Plus for under 80 bucks. That is a great deal, in my opinion. Alright, so now let me fire up the camera. Let's snap a few selfies real quick. Okay, let's do one front profile. Bam. And then let's do one side profile. Bam. Alright, now let me show y'all this. Check this out. This is what it looks like from the front. And you can see, honestly, that looks very, very discreet to me. You can barely tell that I have them in. Like, check out this side. You can barely see it sticking out. And on the other side, you can barely see it at all. Very, very discreet fit. Very comfortable as well. Alright, let me pull up the side profile. Boom. Check it out from the side. Again, really nice snug fit. In terms of the sound isolation, it is very good as well. I can tell y'all, I can barely hear myself talk right now. So really good overall fit and feel. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, so first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus are really, really good. Now, I do gotta pose a question to everyone before I get up out of here. Because in all honesty, the Buds Plus are very, very, very similar to the original Buds. And unless you guys and gals really want me to, I don't really see the need to review the Buds Plus all the way over again. Because honestly, they've only made two really key improvements. Alright? The first one is with the overall battery life. Okay? So it goes from, I believe the original one gave you, I think it was 4 to 6 hours on a full charge. And then you got an additional charge from the charging case, bringing it all the way up to, it was either 8 or 12. I have to go back and check out my previous review to let y'all know for sure. So they definitely improved the battery life. This one gives you 11 hours on a single charge, and then an additional charge with the case, giving you a grand total of 22 hours with the charging case. So they improved the overall battery life, which was a must in my opinion. And then along with that, they improved the overall microphone performance. This doubles the microphones from the previous version. So the previous version had 2 microphones. This one has 3 on each earbud, right? But it has 1 on the inner side and then 2 on the outer side to give you better microphone performance. Whereas on the first generation, you only had 1 on each outer side. Alright? So really good overall microphone performance should be coming out of these, and really good overall battery life should be coming out of these. So my question to you guys and gals is this: would you like me to put the Galaxy Buds Plus through the overall full review treatment, or do you feel as though it's not necessary? Okay? All you have to do to tell me you want the review is just leave a hashtag review it please down below in the comments, and if I see 5 hashtags review it please, I'll go ahead and put this through the full review process. Other than that, without those 5 hashtags, we're going to go ahead and skip the review process on this. But in all honesty, if y'all want to know my real quick down and dirty recommendation, honestly y'all, any 3 of the buds you see on the table, I can easily recommend. They all do a really great job, and they all incorporate the key features that I want to see out of earbuds, and they honestly are only missing one thing, in my opinion. All 3 of these buds use status LEDs, where I would have liked to have seen a percentage readout display for more ease of use and convenience. But other than that, all 3 of these buds have really good microphone performance, or supposedly. We're going to put this one to the test, but the other 2, I could tell you for sure, most definitely have really good microphone performance. All 3 of these buds have a really nice and comfortable overall fit, okay? These 2 definitely do, and I just verified that the Galaxy Buds Plus do as well, so that's really good as well. And most importantly, all 3 of these buds have a charging case that incorporates wireless charging. So you can truly live the hashtag wireless experience with these, or hashtag wireless lifestyle, hashtag no cables for the win. Alright? You can truly live that hashtag wireless lifestyle with either of these buds, and they all come in at a really great price. Alright? The Earfun Free right here come in regularly between $40 and $50. Okay? The Earfun Air right here regularly come on sale for between $50 and $80. And the Galaxy Buds Plus right here, they regularly go on sale between $50 and $80. So this is why I can easily recommend any one of these 3, because for well under $100, you're getting a really good pair of earbuds, regardless of whichever one you decide to go with. Anyways, that pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions and first initial opinions of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. That being said, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you click off that notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. If this video piqued your interest, all the links to all the products you see featured in the video here today will be available down below in the video description, so you will be able to find them at some really great prices. So as always, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for everyone, and you should be good to go. Recording this video here today, we are using the rear-facing primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active, and this video is being recorded in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated, and keep it respectful, please. Alright? I hope everyone has a great evening. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in my next video. We are out of here, everyone. Peace. Alright. We got that nice Samsung combination now. Buds Plus and S8 Active. Oh yeah, we in business. We good to go. All right, take it easy, everybody. We out of here. Peace.